Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have a project share, and this is 3x3 cards that I made on my live, and now I just wanted to share with you all what we did in case you missed the live. And I'm also going to add some stickles on here and two pom-poms. So pom-pom on this little Santa hat and then on this little Santa hat. Two different kinds of pom-poms, but still cute. Let me just make sure I don't have a different one. Yeah, that's about it. The only one that I have that size. This one's way too big. Way too big. It's too big for these hats. So we're going to just go ahead and use this silver one and this one. I love this one. I think I got these sparkly ones at I think at Hobby Lobby. Yeah. But that's what we're going to do. Should I use the silver one on this guy? No. I'm just going to use it over here. Whoops. So the glue's not really completely ready, but I'm going to use it. I just love the sparkly pom-poms and pom-poms on the bottom, and this is so cute. If I had more of this one, I would use this one, but I don't. Just trying to find a spot. Okay, there we go. Okay. I used these little doilies that I cut with the Cricut, and I'm just getting the glue pieces off. There we go. And that's what these look like. I'm going to add some stickles on here. I used my gold metallic pen or marker from Walmart. It is the Deco Color pen, premium. I love those markers. So I just did the edging, the three sides. It looks kind of, you know, gilded. Let's see. This little pink flower right here is from Walmart. No, Hobby Lobby. It's from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some touches of the stickles to the petals. I'm just squeezing a bunch and then spreading it around with the tip. And so it might want to stick together because it is glue, but you just have to move the petals around. Should be okay. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Just putting it on and spreading it out. It's not exact, it's just to give it some kind of luster. And you don't have to do this, it's just a matter of what your taste is. I got these stickles, these particular ones I picked up at Hobby Lobby. But if you're really interested and you want to support another fellow crafter, you guys please check out Urban Gems, who is Nurse Tara 04 here on YouTube and Instagram. She has an Urban Gems profile on Instagram too, and she'll share some of the products sometimes on her Instagram. In case you guys want to know and just want to support a fellow crafter instead of supporting the big box stores. Not that the big box stores are always bad, but just to be able to support Frog Girls. Okay, sorry, I got interrupted. But yeah, I just put light touches of stickles on the flower petals. And then I'm going to put some on the doily and a little bit on the bow. Actually, let's go with a different color. I'm going to use the Stardust on this one. You don't have to do this, guys. It's just, do you want it on there or not? I like doing it because it looks like a touch of frost, you know? And I'm just doing it very lightly on the beard. Looks like he's got a little frost on his beard. That's about it, guys. I think that's all I want to do to him. And probably a little bit on the doily. I love sparkly stuff, so why not? You know? It's just very glitzy. There you go. And I'm not doing a lot. Looks like a lot, but it's not a lot. See? Now I'll let that dry. I love that. Sparkles. And I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to add it to the flowers on the white doily. And just touches on the wreath, because it is so cute. Guys, I'm really just scribbling it on pretty much, because that's all you need. I put some stickles across the word just to make it a little more highlighted. I'm gonna put some on the heart, and then on this heart, and then probably somewhere on the wreath. Just little spots so that we can blend in these little bubbles that I got from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I'm out of breath because I didn't take a minute to catch my breath before I turn the camera back on. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do with this one. So that is finished. And then I'm gonna work on this last one. I'm gonna use the Stardust again and just do little bits of touches here and there, because it is Santa's hat. It's so cute. And I love what they did, because it has all the little sentiments on the cap itself. I don't know, should I do the word? Yeah, because then we can see it more. It's just highlighting the word. Yep, there we go. It looks so cute. And it looks like a lot, but once it dries, you'll be able to read the words again. All right, I love it. So that is it for my project share. Guys, thank you all for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all on the next video, and please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do lives Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, this month, the month of July, we're doing the Christmas in July 2020 PHA challenge. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're new to my channel. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and also double click that notification so that when I post new videos, you'll be notified, or when I go live, which I go live on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, it will let you know when I do all that. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.